Morning, Jolene. All right, hang on. I'm coming. There's two.
Can I hold both of them?
Yeah.
Can you get them for me?
We gotta fix that. That's all wet in there. We gotta fix that. All right. Be careful and don't drop them.
Okay.
Well, we can do that if we want to. You want some petting, Jolene?
What?
I think she wants to go in the house.
Yeah, let's do it in the house, Bob. Thinks it's okay. Can you do it?
Here, let me hold the hose and you can stick the eggs under the hose. Don't get wet.
Okay. That's enough. That's enough. You ready? Ah, I'm Shannon.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Good morning, Jolene. Good morning, everybody. You guys ready to get out and do some? Well, we have some eggs. Oh man, look at that. And we have some poop. That's not good. They're pooping in there again. But we have 4 eggs. How'd that frog get in there? Are you eating him? He's eating a frog. Alright, we have the cement board on the countertop. So now we just need to find a piece of hardwood to put along the front edge of the cabinet to come up a little bit, and we will be ready to lay the tile on the cabinet top. Now I'm still not decided. We have this gray stuff from another job, and it goes okay, I think, with the floors. We've got enough to do this, and I think it may work okay, but we'll see. We'll see. I want to talk to Angel and see what she thinks, and then we may put some. We may do a different color. There's a lot of grays and whites in here, and the walls are going to be painted gray, so we may go with something a little bit more colorful for the backsplash. These irons are in here because we've been doing this iron-on stuff on the front of the plywood for the shelving, and we'll do that some more also. We'll paint that white. But mostly today it's just been mudding, and then we are just starting to texture the ceiling. So we're going to try to texture this kitchen ceiling today, and the bedroom ceiling, the second bedroom ceiling. Started painting the siding on this. I really like this bathroom. This is the bathroom ceiling, and this was wood. This was old wood that was the ceiling of the porch that was here, and we decided to keep it. And we've got a couple coats of white paint, semi-gloss paint on that, and we will put some more paint on that. But for now, we are working on the ceiling in the second bedroom and putting texture on, which is what we've just started to do. Here's our texture mop we've got out, and getting it all over the light fixture there on top of the water. There's a water heater which will go back in this corner when we get it finished. There's the hookups for the water heater, and just started putting a couple of spots of texture on the ceiling in this bedroom.
I'm just doing this because I want to be on the video.
Are you serious?
You gotta go.
Crap.
What happened to my phone?
I don't know. Here.